Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 16th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Scorpio, this is your channel song. You know it's champagne poppy, baby. You know what's happening. Scorpio, tell him. I might be too stern on non-confidence, overdose on confidence, starting not to give a fuck and dropping all the consequence. Staring every night because I'm staring my accomplishments. Faded away too long and now I'm floating out of consciousness. They say that I'm back, I agree with that. And I had someone tell me that I believe it that I had someone tell me I fell off. Ooh, I needed that. I needed the one to pick me up. Exaggerate on things, now I got it like that. Tuck my napkin in my shirt because I got it like that. Mama, you know well I'm good, you know my dad like that. Can catch a body like that. Don't do it, please don't do it. Cause one of us goes in, then we all go through it. Cause Drizzy got money, so Drizzy ain't gon' play. Those my brothers, I ain't even got to say. That's just something they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know, they know, they know. They know. And it really is gonna die. Fuck them other guys. I didn't even get a chance to decide. That's just something they know. They know, they know, they know. They know. Exactly, Scorpio, they know. Now we are going into your relationship reading today, and I'm just like Drake. I'm sure Drake is still fighting. How is it that he lost Rihanna to A$AP Rocky? Nevertheless, Drake, you are Jewish. So once you are a Jew, anything is possible. Okay, anyways, we're going into your getting over your ex reading. Yes, and you're wonder, you might be saying, Vanessa, are you always doing ex's reading because you're divorced? Yes. That's why. But also, remember, partnerships is a very, very big thing. Scorpio is till death do us part. Scorpio is the skeletons. Usually, Scorpios would like to be buried in the same casket. If one dies, the other one will be like, could you induce death on me so I can pass with Scorpio? Right? Two Scorpios together are very, very fatal. Right? That's like Romeo and Juliet. They'd rather die together than people telling them cannot be in love. Also, Scorpio, the story of Adam and Eve, the first two couples that before we had pop the balloon, remember before we had the blind dates, before we had cheaters, we had Adam and Eve. That was the first two, man and woman, who God did put together to make something work out. How can you guys stay monogamous? No, according to the Bible, Eve was not monogamous. Neither was Mary, because Jesus was born from a Holy Ghost. So why was the bitches fucking other people even back in these fucking days, right? We don't fucking know. Nevertheless, yeah. So the test that Adam and Eve have was what? Was it monogamy? Was it not to eat the apple? Because Eve did so-called eat the apple from the snake. And then she gave Adam the apple to eat after. And I saw two of them get abominated out of the fucking Garden of Eden. So Scorpio, you ruled that. You rule the abomination out of the Garden of Eden. So I don't know what you can do to get Adam back. Alright? They already switched Lilith, because Lilith didn't want to be submissive to Adam. And they said, Lilith, if you're not a submissive woman, that means you are a devil worshipper. And Lilith was like, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. I'm going to pack my shit and go to a shelter. And Lilith went to a shelter. And they got Eve. And what did Eve do? Fuck up humanity. All because you didn't want the girl to act submissive. You fucked up humanity. Why you never make another man for Eve? Why you never make another man for Lilith so Lilith could get a submissive man? You made Lilith for Adam. Lilith never want to be submissive to Adam, even though she was created from Adam's rib, right? Why God never make another woman for Adam and another man for Lilith? So you would have a four couple. He didn't do that. He cast Lilith away, brought in Eve. So he made two women. He took two different blood clot ribs from Adam, right? After he did this 2 times, baby Adam had a failed marriage twice. You know, this is me. The more I go into this rabbit hole, the more I'm seeing that shit is similar to my life, right? Maybe Adam why Adam can't keep a woman? Nevertheless, they did not make another man for Eve. They never make another man for Lilith. They made another woman for Adam. And what did the woman do? She fucked on him. So maybe maybe having a woman who wasn't submissive wasn't that bad, right? See, now you guys experiencing childbirth pain. Anyways, let us go into your reading. We're going to see how you can get over your ex. Now, a lot of us may have grown up to go to prestigious universities or work among world-class people, but our parents, schools, and nobody really tell us how it is to be in a healthy relationship. That's why we see so much of our mothers struggling, even though they are top earners or they are top achievers. Them are struggling in a relationship because we're not taught how to navigate relationships. We're taught what the things that we're supposed to do to be happy, but we're not taught these things. Adam was never taught how to care for Eve properly. Eve was not taught how to love Adam. And Lilith did not have another man, so she left. She was an independent lady. Na 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 na. Lilith say, me have groceries in my pocket so me feel nice. Now borrow Eve clothes in a real life. Now sponge pan Adam when feel light. Me can't buy one banana if me feel like. No worry about no apple, come alright. Me just a wine and a dance cause the place nice. It's like Eve watch me, I watch my life. The hair are mine, the clothes are mine, the shoes are mine, oh my looks are fine. Turn up the music, a party time. Tell Eve to stay behind, cause me no know about you, but me know about me. No apple, me I enjoy myself. Eat a banana like say it free. Me I enjoy myself, right? This is what happened. So with this being said, we're going to see what can you do to navigate getting over your ex. Remember, Eve did have to get over Adam. Remember, Lilith had to get over Adam. Everybody here, rich, poor, black, white, it don't matter. Shaved China, hair China, shaved hair, uncircumcised, circumcised, it does not matter. We all go through relationships and we all should know what it is to leave a relationship and don't walk back. So let's go. What lessons do you need to learn from this breakup? Scorpio, you have the Page of Cups. Me getting, so Scorpio, here's where you have to know, even though you're a very nice man, me getting you're very nice, you're very giving, you're very, me getting, you're the type of person to call somebody 3 o'clock and say you're hungry, you want something, you want company, more come over 3 o'clock in the morning, right? Me getting when you like a woman, Scorpio, you're all for her. You will go the ends and beyond for her. Scorpios are very self-sacrificial. They sacrifice themselves for people who them love. You can call them any moment, make them left them yard at any time. Them really, once them love you and locked in with you, believe there's nothing you cannot ask a Scorpio for. So me getting where you're gonna learn that and ever deserve this treatment. Just because you like them, okay, you can like a million people in the world. Me getting, first of all, me getting you feel like women thought that you were vulnerable. Cause you're nice to every woman. You're not treat them doggish, you're not call them no bag of name. Me getting a very gentleman like. It's not every woman want that. And you might say, oh, how could I be such a gentleman trying to treat these women this way and they're treating me like this? It's not every woman like it, you hear? So don't spoil the bad ones for the good ones. Me getting you're a gentleman, you're very nice. Me getting you're just laid back, you're just sweet, attentive. You like to lie down in the bed and talk. Me getting on every woman like that. So me getting what the lesson you need to learn, and every woman deserves the kindness, Scorpio. You need to know that. What can you do to find peace right now? The 3 of me getting there is no peace. Cause me getting every woman you trust them either fuck somebody else, shame in a blood clot spotlight, or them say yeah we can work on something, and as soon as you turn your back them with somebody else. How you can do for find peace? Know that you are not the problem. Yes, it is hurting right now, but you are not the problem. It is because you are attracted or you like somebody who don't like you. Now, would you have want to be with somebody you like that to spend money upon them and them left you? Me getting there's no peace right now because you blame yourself. I was too kind. I was too open. I should have never felt for her. It's not your fault. You cannot be guilty about truthfully expressing how you feel. Okay? So me getting there is no peace right now. You just have to go through the heartbreak. Maybe somebody very close to you. How can you forgive yourself and your ex? Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Well, if you forgive yourself, I'm seeing something about spending here. Or me getting, again, you walk away with your money. So maybe this was somebody you didn't like. You never reached the point where you're going to be showing them gifts of appreciation or all these things. Me getting, you have to forgive yourself for all the money where you spend. Forgive your ex for the investments you used. Maybe you was paying her rent. Maybe you was paying things for her. Me getting you to forgive yourself for these things. Forgive yourself for how much money you invest in this relationship, or all the things that you bought and put down waiting on this woman or man to arrive. They never arrive. They did not arrive. Anthony Miller. They did not arrive, right? So me getting... You feel so heartbroken mostly because of the money where you spend to make this relationship work. Or she ask you for money. She want to go gym, you give her money. She want to do surgery, you give her money. She want everything, you give her money. And I'm getting it never went anywhere. She just took it as an ATM. So I'm getting, just forgive yourself. Money will always come back. When will you be ready for your next relationship, Scorpio? The 9 of Cups. I'm getting you ready for it. I'm getting you say you're ready. But you're not, because you're going to go on a date and you're going to talk about what the other girl did to you. You're going to say, you know, the reason why I'm single is because I was dating girls and all the girls I dated, blah, blah, blah. The girl in front of you is going to be like, okay, you're already written off women already. And you're going to be like, no, I'm trying to express myself. That's not how you do it. I can't go on a date with a man and say, yeah, you know, I dated men, all men are garbage, all men are shit, all of them just, I couldn't do that. The guy going to be like, then why you out with me? So me get to, even though you have a heart broken by somebody in your past, your ex, me get to, you're still ready for a new relationship, like now. You say you're ready, because you still have money, you still is sweet, it's just that you're going through a heartbreak. Maybe you're really good at masking your emotions, but me getting is either in the 9th month, which is next September, you'll be ready. Me getting in 9 days or 9 weeks. Me getting the number 9. And how could you prepare for your next relationship with the Queen of Pentacles? Okay, so Scorpio, you were coming out as the King of Cups first, which is very emotional, very, very attentive. Now, how could you and your ex learn from your relationship? Me getting a Capricorn. So either she cheated on you with a Capricorn, he cheated on you with a Capricorn, or me getting something about maybe you are using more emotions and not money, not investment. Like, what are you going to invest in me for one to be with you? Me getting how you can prepare for your next relationship. Me getting your next relationship going to be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now, Scorpio, Taurus is the opposite. You're going to want Taurus. So, I don't know if you have Taurus in your chart too, but me getting preparing for your next relationship is the Queen of Pentacles. Forgiving yourself and your ex is the King of Pentacles. So me literally getting you need to take down the more emotional part of you and think about you when you're just there with a girl. You gotta think about if she like you, if she gonna cheat on you, if she loyal to you, if she find you attractive, great. Me getting you need to shift that and think about it as you're not already in a relationship with kids. How will you care for her? How can you care for her if you couldn't talk? If you were on mute, you couldn't talk, how would you care for her? That's because earth signs use tactical things to determine value. They don't use emotional things. They don't use kissing, hugging, touching, and having sex. Earth signs rule Venus usually. So kissing and sex never keep them. You have to show like investment. You have to show something that you're willing for have them here for your next 3 to 5 years. So I'm getting your need to learn how to attend to, I guess, this woman. I'm getting the Capricorn, or money was an issue in your last relationship. But in your new relationship, you're going to be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe somebody more earthy and more understanding. But again, I feel like it goes back to how can you care for a woman without speaking? If you have to talk to convince her, say you love her, and you couldn't put tape over your mouth and operate and show her, say you love her on a daily basis, that means that's the issue. You think that only what you say is what people are supposed to believe, regardless of the emotions that you're invested in. We have cursed. Cursed of what? Cursed of heartbrokenness, Scorpio. I'm getting every time you get a relationship, I don't know, there's some type of emotional aspect that you keep. I don't know where you keep it though, but there's something you keep. Maybe you keep a gear cup too early, but I'm getting you wasting it on bitches for the streets. We have the Lovers card. Yeah, Gemini energy. Are me getting Scorpio, you and this toxic relationship. You and your opposite is going to be together. Them all. So what the haters them have to say. And one more. Can we just talk? I'm going to leave it here, Scorpio. Until next time. Bye.